Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Essar and I'm so excited to have you guys here. So today I have a new DIY project that I am very excited about, and I just want to show you guys before we get into the instructions. So this is it. So we have the home. Instead of the O, I went with the house and a hat. I just got this design from Pinterest, so I'm sure there's so many other designs that you guys could get, and this is what was the best for me. So right now I left the wood bare, but I'm thinking of tinting it, just staining it for it to be a bit darker, because I feel that will look a bit better. But this is a DIY. You only need wood, nails, and yarn, my favorite yarn. Yeah, so that's it. Let's just get started and you guys can see how to make one for yourselves. To start with, just grab a paper, ruler and pencil and draw out your desired pattern. Next, you're going to just cut your letters and patterns out of the paper. Place the patterns or letters on your board that you're going to be nailing on, and that will just be the guide of how you want to to place your nails. Then just hammer in the nails one by one until you complete the pattern. Try to leave 1 inch space between each nail. So next you are just going to grab some yarn. This is not the heavy type of yarn, this is the thin type of yarn. That way it will leave more spaces in between. Then just tie on the first nail and go circling each nail after that, just to form a boundary. Once you're done with the boundary, you're just going to fill in the pattern as you desire. There's no specific order to it, and that's it. was it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, if you do give it a try, please tag me on one of my social media handles just so that I can see how it goes for you. If you have any questions, I am always happy to answer, and I hope you guys will come back for more DIYs. That was it for today. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Do have a lovely day. Goodbye.